There's the one that's going to be replacing. All painted up. The only thing I haven't put on yet is the motor plate. Everything's all nice and shiny and painted. The light's kind of crappy over here, sorry about that. Light. Motor. Quiet as a mouse. That's its lowest speed. And you can see it's actually pretty accurate. I have a reamer in there right now. You can see there's not much of any run out in it. Now, for comparison to what I've been using, I'm going to put this into this one and show you what the run out on this thing is. Now this I did modify. This is actually, let me get it into the light. This is a real Jacob's chuck on here. I got rid of the little one that came with it, and this is a real quarter-horse motor that I rigged up. But you can listen to the sound that makes when it's on, and that's its slowest speed. Alright, I have that reamer set up in the old one. You can see. Hopefully you can see the camera. Coming through on the camera, but there's a decent amount of walk in that bit. You can see it right there. So it's definitely a big improvement. Now I get this thing set up for its highest speed. I do notice that these bearings here make a little bit of a noise for a second, but then it'll stop. But this thing runs so fast on its high speed, I don't know why you would want to drill this, or what you would drill this fast, to be honest with you. Right? That's it. That's the drill press. I'm very happy with it. It came out relatively decent. Definitely be using it a lot.